Hello, my name is Debbie Kermode and I am the Chief Executive of the Midlands Arts Centre. I could not be more grateful to the fantastic, very prestigious and generous award that we received from the Greater Birmingham and Solihull Local Enterprise Partnership. Their investment in MAC has been a huge game changer for us in terms of our capital programme over the 18 months. We've been able to create these fantastic new facilities, this wonderful artist studio that you see here today, and behind me our gorgeous new pocket park. They've also been able to help us renovate existing studios for all the hundreds, thousands of courses and classes that we do annually for the residents of Birmingham. The benefit of this will enable us to be so much more financially resilient as we go forward into even perhaps greater, more challenging times ahead. And it will also enable over 10,000 new visitors to use these spaces. And alongside that, the job creation of up to 15 new roles, including apprenticeships, which are incredibly important to invite young people to be part of our dynamic workforce. On behalf of all of our trustees and all of our patrons, thank you very, very much.